Hey guys, Jimmy here from Je le fais pour moi, hashtag I do it for me. Today we're going to talk about our lovely squats. Guys, you're going to be going online, you're going to be going on YouTube, on Instagram, on Google, and you're going to be doing your research on squats. Everybody has their 2 cents in on how to do a squat. Today, we're not going to cover the whole dynamics of it. We're just going to stick to the basics of a squat, how to do them properly, and how to stay aligned with the movement. Guys, squats don't only help build muscle. They don't only help you get beautiful legs either. They help you work on your quads, your hammies, your calves, abdominals, lower back, and butt too. But there's a lot of benefits from squats: your flexibility, mobility, balance, strengthen your lungs and heart, prevent injuries, improve your joints, and most important of all for me is your postural improvement. Squats is the #1 basic exercise to do. So before beginning our squats do have checkpoints that you need to look over. Okay, so let's grab our stick and let's get started. So with your stick, you're gonna place it down. Now what's important today is that we're not gonna be doing sumo squat, which is more of a wider stance. What we're gonna do is that we're gonna keep a normal stance, shoulder width apart, step up to your bar, open up your toes, and now when you go down, I want your knees to step out. Okay, once aligned, if you have a bar on your back, doing some back squats, no problem. Before you go down, chest up, head up, tuck in those elbows, and all your weight has to go on your knees. Now, what's important here, guys, is when you go into a squat is that the weight does stay on your heels to go hit the proper muscles. What I do not want is when you go down to have that pressure above. My knees surpass my toes, no good. I want my hips to be aligned. Squeeze your glutes, activate your core, go down to a straight line, weight is on my heels. I'm not lean forward, all my weight is on my back heel. So, once again, step up, shoulder width apart, toes out, weight on your heels, drop as low as you could, knees go out, and back up. As for the basic squats, now guys, we're gonna go to something a little more advanced. We never want to plateau. We never want to reach that point where, hey, we know how to do squats, we're okay, we're just gonna stick to squats. We want to introduce a little bit more of a squat jump. But before you get to a squat jump, there's also an intermediate version of it. Go down into a squat, touch, and absorb the shock. What's important to a squat jump is that I never want you to just stay static and put the pressure on your knees. When you go down, you're absorbing the shock. It's not the speed, it's really the movement and the technique to get it right. Okay, so once you've mastered the in and out squat, then we're talking a whole new game and we're going to squat jumps, work on height, work the mechanics of absorbing the fall. Come down, swing your arms, and come back down and control that weight every single rep and take your time. I'm not rushing the movement, I'm in full control of my body, I'm in full control of the exercise as well. So guys, for today, that's our squats. Tune in for some more exercises, some rehab coming up. Don't forget, click below, join our family, and we'll see you guys soon.